In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on layout grids in Figma. Layout grids, sometimes labeled as layout guides in newer versions of Figma, are those helpful visual guides you apply to frames to keep spacing and alignment consistent. They're perfect for setting up columns for responsive layouts, rows for horizontal rhythm, or a uniform square grid when you're working with icons or spacing systems. Think of them as a flexible scaffolding that you can turn on, customize, and hide whenever you need. Start by selecting a frame on your canvas. Layout grids apply to frames, not to individual shapes or groups, so make sure the blue frame outline is visible. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Layout Guide. Click the plus button next to Layout Grids, and Figma will add a default uniform grid to the frame. You'll see a subtle overlay appear, which gives you immediate structure to work with. From there, you can customize the grid to match your design needs. In the same right-hand panel, switch the grid type between uniform, columns, or rows. Uniform gives you a square grid that's fantastic for consistent spacing. Columns create vertical guides that are ideal for responsive web or app layouts. Rows add horizontal guides that help with spacing and vertical rhythm. While you're here, adjust settings like count for the number of columns or rows, gutter for spacing between them, margins for outer padding, and even color and opacity so the grid is visible without getting in your way. Controlling visibility is simple and flexible. To toggle all grids in your file at once, open the View Options drop-down at the top right of the canvas, next to the zoom percentage, and check or uncheck Layout Guides. If you prefer a quick shortcut, press Shift+G on both Mac and Windows to toggle grid visibility instantly. And if you want to manage a specific frame without affecting the rest, use the eye icon next to its grid in the right sidebar to show or hide it without deleting your settings. A few tips before we wrap up. You can stack multiple grids on the same frame, like columns and rows together, for more nuanced layouts. Grids are strictly an editing aid. They won't export into images or appear in prototypes. And if you don't see the layout grid options, double-check that a frame is selected rather than an individual object. That's it. You've learned how to turn on, customize, and manage layout grids in Figma to build cleaner, more consistent designs.